Hey guys, it's Jackson. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to actually lock focus and keep it locked while recording on the Canon R6 Mark II. Okay, so I found this useful while shooting weddings or wildlife. So if the subject goes behind another person, goes behind a tree, the focus will stay locked and wait for them to come out the other side, for example. So it really stays locked on. And this can be useful with the bride, for example, going in between people or walking down the aisle when there could be confetti flying, for example. So this is something to really help you stay locked onto your subject. But also keep in mind, if you're going to keep the autofocus more sticky in terms of staying with a subject, then whenever that subject leaves the frame, it's not going to search for something instantly. So if you tried to then focus on another thing, or for example, you turned it off the bride and moved your camera and pointed it towards another group of people or another animal, it will actually kind of like the focus box will stay on the side where it's still trying to find the subject that it was just stuck on. So just a little bit of information to keep in mind before you set this setting. All right, guys, so you'll go to menu, get it to focus there with my phone. So under the AF menu, you'll go to switching tracked subjects, and then right here, you'll set that to 0. So initial priority, you set that there and you can show 0. So now it's going to stick with the subject, even when it goes behind other things, like a tree, for example, if it's wildlife, or other people if it's at a wedding. And I'll show you a quick video of an elk that I took a video of where it stayed locked on when other elk were walking in front of it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was useful. I definitely used this whenever I did my most recent wedding. I was glad that I found out this information. I hope I can help somebody else with this. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.